Hi guys, I am Prasanth Mali. Now, in this lecture, we will discuss about the lathe machine operation. By using lathe machine, which operation we have to do. Now, in this video, we will see all operations which are performed on the lathe machine. Now, see here, the number of operation will be performed by using lathe machine. And the first one is the facing, then second turning, next one is a turning, champering, fourth one is a knurling, next one is a drilling, ramming, and next one is a thread cutting, boring operation, parting off, form turning, spining, and tapping operation, etc. Now this operation is will be doing on the lathe machine, and we will see this operation. First one is a facing operation. Now in this facing operation, the material of the on the face will be removed by using the facing tool. The facing operation is for making the end of the job to produce a smooth flat surface with the axis of operation or a certain length of a job. Now in this operation, the job is held in between the or fixed in between the check, and it will be give the feed to the tool, and materially it will be removed from the face of the job. Now in this facing operation, the tool feed is perpendicular to the axis of the job. Now we will see the next operation, and next operation is a turning operation. In this turning operation, the material on the surface of the job is it will be removed by using a single point cutting tool. Now, the difference in between facing and the turning. In facing operation, the feed of the tool is perpendicular to the axis of the job, but in this turning operation, the feed of the tool is parallel to the axis of the job, and the material it will be removed from the surface. There is the several type of the turning operation, such like a straight turning. Next one is a shoulder turning. Second one, next one is a rough turning. Next one is a finish turning. Next one is a taper turning and eccentric turning. In this turning operation, same as like facing operation, the job it will be fixed in the check, and it will give the feed to the tool post, and material it will be removed. It is in terms of chip. Now see the next operation it will be performed. Next operation is champering operation. In this champering operation, the material it will be removed from the edges. Now see here, the champering is used for the believing the end of the job, to remove burrs, to look better, to make a passage of the nut in the bolt. This operation, in this operation, the job it will be fixed in the check, and in the champering operation, such like a facing operation, feed it will be give perpendicular to the axis of the job. This is the third one operation it will be doing on the lathe machine. Now see, next operation is a knurling operation. In this knurling operation, just a minute, in this knurling operation, the rough surface it will be generated on the surface of the job, and this rough surface it will be created or generated on the surface of the job for effective gripping purpose. In knurling operation, the tool of the knurling it will be held on the tool post and pressed against the rotating job, so that leaving the exact facsimile of the tool on the surface of the job. Now see, the next operation will be proceed on the lathe machine, and the operation is the drilling operation. In this drilling operation, the tool of the drill or drill bit it will be fixed on the tailstock, and in this drilling operation, the axis of the drill bit is coaxial with the axis of the job. In this operation, the tool it is always fixed on the tailstock only. And see, the next operation is boring operation. In the boring operation, it is possible to increase the size of drill only, and in this also, or in this operation also, the tool is fixed on the tailstock, and in boring operation the axis of the tool is coaxial with the job or coaxial with the axis of the check. This boring operation it will be doing after completion of the drilling operation only. Now next operation is a ramming operation, and the ramming operation is similar like a boring operation, but by using a ramming operation or ramming tool, it is possible to clean the internal surface of this hole or drill. And this ramming operation is also same as like boring operation, and after completion of the drilling operation we will do the ramming operation only. Now see here in this ramming operation, or in this diagram, this is the check, this is the job, and this is the ramming tool. This ramming tool, it will be fixed on the tailstock end, and here this is the tool feed. Is similar like boring operation, it is similar like to the drilling operation. Now by using this ramming tool, it is possible to increase the size of the hole, or to clean the size of the hole only. Now see, next operation it is performed on the lathe machine is the parting of operation. In a parting of operation of cutting of a bar type of job after completion of the machining operation. And in this parting of operation, the job is fixed on the check and the tool is fixed on the tool post, and this operation is similar like a facing operation. In this operation, the feed is given to the tool post is perpendicular to the axis of the job, and this operation is called as a parting of operation. Now see, next one is the threading operation. In threading operation, we'll give the thread on the job or thread on the specimen on lathe machine. In this threading operation, the feed of the tool is parallel to the axis of the job. Now see here, this is the axis of job and this is the direction of the feed, and this feed is parallel to the axis of the job. And next operation we'll be doing on the lathe machine is a tapping operation. Tapping, it is nothing but by using lathe machine, internal threads it will be provided on the job. Tapping is a process of cutting a thread inside a hole so that cap screw or bolt can be threaded into the hole. This is the operation. In this operation, it is possible to do generate internal threads.